They use MDMA to gather false evidence. Recorded moments are exaggerated for victim shaming. Mutual friends are turned against you via drug rumors. The lie, you're an addict, is projection. They project their behavior onto their victims. Rebuilding your reputation becomes a challenging task. Distinguishing truth from false narratives is essential. Acknowledge the manipulative tactics used by narcissists. Talk to trustworthy friends and colleagues. Reaffirm your values and integrity consistently. Professional help can aid emotional recovery. Share your story to build awareness and strength. Document interactions to protect your reputation. Learn to recognize narcissistic behaviors early. Practice self-care and maintain your mental well-being. Support groups provide a network for shared experiences. Legal action may be necessary for severe defamation cases. Personal growth can emerge from overcoming such adversity. Work on strengthening personal boundaries. Develop resilience to cope with future challenges. Balance confrontation with strategic silence. Reputation recovery is possible with perseverance. Address accusations directly with evidence. Stay grounded in your truth amidst rumors. Self-reflection can provide clarity and perspective. Exposure to MDMA scenes can be harmful. Educate others on the dangers of drug-related manipulation. Promote honest relationships based on trust and empathy. Reflect on relationships that empower and support.